The Reliance Mutual Fund has increased its position in a clutch of names. Obviously, has come out of some of the names as well. Jayesh Khilnani has looked at the portfolio, I think, on a month-on-month basis and drawn a list of all the big buying and selling done by the mutual fund house in November. Jayesh, good morning.
Morning, Neeraj. So, if you look at the entire portfolio, they now have equity assets of nearly $14 billion and they're invested in more than 500 securities. In terms of the sectors that they have, concentration on is the financial space, which stands at nearly 1/3 of the portfolio, followed by industrials, which is nearly about 15 to 16% odd. So, in terms of, the stocks that they bought and sold for the month of November, let's have a look at, where they have increased stake. So, Bharti Airtel, that has the maximum weightage over there in terms of 84 lakh shares added over there. So in the month of November, we saw sharp run up in the prices of Bharti Airtel and some renewed interest in the telecom space, and that's the reason 84 lakh shares added over there. Tata Motors and Bharat Financial really stood out for me because this is the second consecutive month that they have seen an addition, and it has featured in the top 5 list as well. HDFC and Bosch also, they added about 14 lakh and 75,000 shares. What's interesting, Neeraj, over here is that there is no sector trend that has emerged, so it is all stock specific, and the same case is where they have decreased the stake as well. So have a look at Federal Bank. They reduced stake by about 1.8 crore shares. HCL Technologies stood out over here because once again this is the second consecutive month that they have reduced stake in HCL Technologies. L&T, Shriram Transport and IndusInd Bank also, they have reduced stake substantially. So once again you can see that there's no sector trend which has emerged over here. It's all stock specific. In terms of the new buys and sells that they had done in the month of November, renewed interest or more interest in the IPO space. So HDFC Standard Life and New India Assurance. But mind you, New India Assurance, it is significantly off the high point where it listed from. Last time I checked was about 550 or something. Sadbhav Infra and PNB Housing Finance also, they have bought afresh, and Dixon Technologies. We have seen other fund houses also in the past month where they have shown interest in Dixon Technologies. Not much in terms of the sell-offs that they had in the month of November. So Ganesh Housing, Good Luck India and Automobile Corp of India of Goa go out of the portfolio of Reliance Mutual Fund.